Let's learn reptile names. Snake. Snake. This is a snake. It slithers on the ground. Hiss, hiss. Crocodile. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. It lives in water. Snap, snap. Turtle. Turtle. This is a turtle. It has a hard shell. Slow, slow. Lizard. Lizard. This is a lizard. It crawls on walls. Crawl, crawl. Chameleon. Chameleon. This is a chameleon. It changes color. Color, color. Gecko. Gecko. This is a gecko. It sticks to walls. Tick, tick.
They are very gentle creatures.
Iguana. Iguana. This is an iguana. It is big and green. Walk, walk. Tortoise. Tortoise. This is a tortoise. It walks very slowly. Slow, slow. Python. Python. This is a python. It is a big snake. Hiss, hiss. Cobra. Cobra. This is a cobra. It spreads its hood. Hiss, hiss. Alligator. Alligator. This is an alligator. It looks like a crocodile. Snap, snap. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard. This is a monitor lizard. It is long and strong. Baby turtle. Baby turtle. This is a baby turtle. It is small and cute. Tiny, tiny. Baby crocodile. Baby crocodile. This is a baby crocodile. It is small but strong. Baby dinosaur. Baby dinosaur. This is a baby dinosaur. It looks fun and big. Great job, kids! Subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you again!